Inside Automotive Innovation, Vehicle Computer Tomography. Today we're exploring a breakthrough in how vehicles are inspected and built. Vehicle Computer Tomography, or VCT. This technology is transforming automotive manufacturing, quality control, and even the way we think about vehicle safety. So, what exactly is VCT, and why is it becoming so important? At its core, Vehicle Computer Tomography adapts CT imaging, originally developed for medical and industrial use, to the automotive world. Using X-rays and sophisticated detectors, VCT scanners create detailed 3D images of vehicle components like engines, transmissions, battery packs, and castings. The key advantage? All of this happens without taking anything apart. Manufacturers can spot internal defects, measure structural integrity, analyze materials, and ensure quality in ways that traditional inspection methods simply can't match. The global market for vehicle computer tomography is on a rapid rise. According to BIS Research, it's valued at $1.39 billion in 2025 and is projected to more than double to $297 billion by 2034. That's a compound annual growth rate of nearly 9%. What's fueling this surge? Several factors: the worldwide increase in automotive production, stricter safety and quality standards, and the explosive growth of electric vehicles, which bring new inspection challenges. VCT is no longer just a tool for the lab. It's moving onto the production floor, used by original equipment manufacturers, Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers, and research institutions. The technology itself is evolving too. There are now industrial CT scanners, mobile units that can be deployed directly on the factory line, automated systems, and even CT setups enhanced with artificial intelligence for faster, more accurate analysis. Applications are broad, from quality control and prototype development to material analysis, non-destructive testing, and structural integrity checks. End users range from OEMs and aftermarket service providers to R&D labs and suppliers. Regionally, North America and Europe are leading in adoption, but Asia-Pacific is catching up fast, especially as countries like China, India, and South Korea ramp up vehicle production. What's driving this growth? 4 main trends stand out. First, the automotive industry's increasing focus on non-destructive testing and rigorous quality assurance. Second, the rise of electric vehicles, which require new inspection methods for complex battery packs and high-voltage systems. Third, regulatory mandates around safety, traceability, and all structural integrity. And fourth, rapid advancements in CT technology itself, including multi-slice imaging, improved detector sensitivity, cone beam and Nano-CT, and AI-powered defect recognition. Of course, there are challenges: high upfront costs, the need for skilled technical staff, and integration with existing manufacturing lines can be hurdles for some companies. Looking ahead, several developments are worth watching. Cone beam and Nano-CT are delivering higher resolution and faster scans. AI and machine learning are making defect recognition more automated and reliable. Mobile and inline CT systems are bringing this technology directly to the manufacturing floor. And strategic partnerships between CT scanner makers and automotive companies are tailoring solutions for specific needs, especially in electric vehicle battery diagnostics. In summary, vehicle computer tomography is set to become a cornerstone of automotive manufacturing, driven by demands for quality, safety, and electrification. For anyone in the automotive value chain, staying ahead of CT technology and its integration into production will be key to delivering reliable, defect-free vehicles. Stay tuned for more insights into the technologies shaping the future of automotive innovation.